What is up, investors? Jason here. So after having multiple days in the green now in the crypto market, we have Bitcoin showing 3 days in a row in the green. We have Ethereum well over $2,000 now, which is great. We're getting a little scary there with Ethereum, seeing Ethereum down below that $2,000 price. Now we have Ethereum multiple days in the green. We have Cardano multiple days in the green. We have Solana, Polkadot, many other ones, all multiple days in the green. But you know what? One that we do need to get rid of, we do need to get rid of Luna. Bye-bye. Now, the main thing that I want to talk about today, though, is Cardano. Now, we're going to be getting into that new hard fork, the Vasil hard fork, looking forward to in June. A lot of good things in store for Cardano and altcoins in general, since we've seen altcoins beat up so much with all the drama that's been happening with crypto lately. A lot of the altcoins are down quite significantly from where they were at from their highs, and so I think that we're getting close to being in altcoin season and seeing absolutely amazing rallies with altcoins. Given that they've been just so beat up lately. Now, but the thing with Cardano, though, it has the Vasil hard fork coming out, and that is one major catalyst for Cardano to see a lot of potential price movements in the positive direction, which is great because we've seen Cardano, down significantly as well from where it was at its highs of more than $3 back in September of 2021. So probably most likely we won't see it get to that price anytime soon, but to see a nice good crypto rally, we could see a lot of good price movements with Cardano. So some things to look forward to with that. So anyways, I want to talk about Cardano. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story highlight or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Let's get to it. So currently we have Cardano on the move. We have it moving up to 60 cents, where it looks like 60 cents is about the resistance that we have right now at this moment. It would be great if we're able to get over that, but the big thing is in the short term, where we do need to get over is that 85-cent resistance. That's one that we do need to get over, and that would be our best shot of seeing Cardano go back to retesting $1. Now, we were just at $1 back in April before we fell through. It went on a bit of a falling wedge, and then of course all that drama that went on with Terra and Luna, seeing that happen and really taking down the price of crypto. Big sell-off going on with Bitcoin that happened, and of course that dragged down all the altcoins that were following along with what Bitcoin was doing. And it just created a lot of volatility in the entire crypto space and a lot of fear and FUD over in the crypto space as well. Now, in a recent tweet, Input-Output had announced that the Vasil hard fork is still on track for June 29th. So that's great that there's an update out there, and they shared a video for what the developers can expect to see once the testnet is released at the end of May. Now, at this moment, Cardano and Solana are both up double digits on this particular day. Now, this is great because over these last 7 days, we have seen a lot of the value of Cardano and Solana, and the rest of the altcoins lose a lot of the value. Now, currently, if we look over at Cardano's market cap is over $20 billion. And some things to really pay attention to right now is that there is a lot of will buying going on. Saniment made a tweet on May 13th saying that Cardano wills were the most active they had been in 4 months during May 12th's price bottom to 40 cents. Now, this is highlighting that ADA saw 1,085 transactions that exceeded $100,000 in value, the largest spike since January. And there was also a good amount of transactions that were even in $1 million. So there was a lot of ADA that was being purchased when we were seeing these lower prices. So even though a lot of people were probably selling off their ADA, the whales were buying that up. Now, I as well have been buying more ADA at these much lower prices. Seeing the price of ADA, even drop below 60 cents was something that made me go, I have to buy more. Now, there was a lot of panic out there last week when the entire crypto market was seeing a lot of volatility. A lot of people panic sold off their crypto. And I was one instead that was just looking at this all as, being on sale, and I just kept accumulating more and more, buying more Bitcoin, buying more ADA, buying more Solana, buying more Dogecoin. I just kept buying more and more crypto at these much lower prices. And the reason is seeing like how we're seeing right now at this moment, where we're seeing a lot of green over in the crypto market just after seeing many days in the red. Now, the last time that Cardano had a big update during the Alonzo hard fork in September 2021, we saw that massive rally with Cardano that had started off in July of 2021, at the end of July, and just continue going up from there all the way up until where it peaked at that $3.10. Now, in this case with Cardano, we know that the Vasil hard fork is coming out 1 month away, a month and just a couple weeks away from now. But what's going on right now is that the fear within the crypto market is one that is definitely going to determine what the price of Cardano is going to go to. Now, obviously, I don't think we're going to be seeing the price of ADA going to that $3 price or above $3 with the hard fork, just because the crypto market is in a much different place right now than where it was back then. But if we are going to see a continued increase in the prices of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market going up, if we have bullishness within the crypto restored after seeing all this volatility that we had seen recently, that could be a very good thing for the price of ADA, and that could really help out the price of it going up just on that alone. And then you throw on top the Vasil hard fork, seeing that big update, and get more using that catalyst as something to really help drive it up. I think that it would be easy to see the price of ADA possibly going to a price of around 150. That's a very bullish price, I know, but that's given off of where we're at currently, and seeing that it can possibly go there. Now, at the same time, anything could happen. We could see ADA going to $1 by that time, and that would also be a great run from the price that it's at right now. But I don't see the price of ADA going to that $3 price unless there's some sort of miracle that happens within crypto. But obviously, if we were to see the crypto market continue to go more bearish, and we were to see the price of Bitcoin dropping more, then who knows what we would see the price of Cardano going to with that, because that's also going to determine a lot of what is going on with the entire crypto market. We can have that great catalyst with the Vasil hard fork to look forward to, but at the same time, if the crypto market is just not performing and there's so much fear out there, then that fear is going to definitely affect the price of ADA, and that can also drive it down lower, even with all that positive catalyst to look forward to. So things to keep in mind that right now, there's still a lot of fear out there, so anything could really happen. But if we were to see that good rally within the price of Bitcoin, and we were going to have that momentum like we had back when we were leading into that Alonzo hard fork, that momentum driving into that with Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest of the crypto market moving upwards, that could be something that could really help out the price of ADA moving into a price above $1, and who knows where it can go from there. So anything is possible. We'll have to see how it does play out. But I do expect, personally, very bullishly, I expect the price of ADA to go up as we get closer to the Vasil hard fork. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions of this. So please let me know in the comments section. Like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Sorry, I missed a couple days, but I'm back on it right now. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.